Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to stop overwatering houseplants with a simple tracking method. Because most houseplants don't die from neglect. They die from too much love. And overwatering is the single most common houseplant killer. But Arrosa takes the guessing out of plant care, so you never accidentally drown your plant family. Now, if you don't have the app yet, you can go ahead and use the camera on your iPhone. And then point your camera to the Arrosa QR code right here, and then go ahead and tap on App Store at the bottom. Just like so. Now go ahead and tap on Get. And once that's installed, tap on Open, and you now have the Arrosa app. As you can see here, all of my plants are happy. Why? It is because I watered them a few days ago. And at my next reminder right here, it says in 2 days. So what I'm going to plant in 2 days. Well, what am I going to water in 2 days? You'll get notified. All right. You will say water right here, water or water, depending on which plant needs to be watered. Now, let me just go ahead and show you quickly how to add a plant. I'm just going to delete this one right here. Now go ahead and tap on the plus sign that says add a plant. Now, you can go ahead and identify with a photo or search plant type right here if you know the plant. Let's say you have an aloe vera. Just go ahead and type it down right here. As you can see, aloe vera is in the list. Now, let's say you are trying to identify with a photo because you don't know the name of the plant. Well, just tap on identify with a photo. Now, face your camera onto the specific plant itself. Now, take a snap. At the very bottom, you have use photo. Tap on it, and then just wait for it. It says here, looking closely at your plant. So, as you can see, there are two other possibilities right here aside from a snake plant, but this one I know is a snake plant. Okay? If it's not, you have other possibilities here as well. So, the best match is snake plant. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on choose snake plant. Now, since you've just added the snake plant, say for example, it says here to water. But do we really need to water it right now? So let's go ahead and tap on snake plant. Now it says here, you need to water it every 21 days. Place it to low to bright indirect light and blot any water left into leaf centers after watering. Now go outside or check the plant manually. If the soil is damp, don't water it. Okay? Go ahead and tap on soil is damp right here. But if the soil is dry, well, go ahead and tap on water now. Now go ahead and add in a little water. All right. And in 21 days, you'll get notified to water the snake plant again. All right. So let's say I'm just going to go ahead and tap on soil is damp because I just watered it earlier. And the reminder will be postponed by 3 days. Now in 3 days, you'll have to check if the water is still damp. If it's dry already, well, go ahead and water it now. All right. I hope that's clear. And when you go ahead and tap on the information icon right here, you can go ahead and scroll down. You have the care calendar. Let's say you've watered the plant in the 18th. You'll have the mark right here. Scroll down. You have care tips. Wipe each leaf from base to tip. Choose a heavy pot with drainage, only slightly wider than the roots. Also remove damaged leaves close to the soil. There you have it. Now, as you can see here, Arrosa reminds the user to check the plant rather than forcing a rigid watering action. Also, you'll get notified. You'll just have to install a widget or you'll get a notification saying that you need to water it. All right. So if you just want a widget, by all means, check a video. On our channel, we have a separate video for it and how to add widgets. So let's go ahead and go back to Arrosa. So as you can see here, snake plant. I now have 2 snake plants. Rubber plant. Now, rubber plant right here needs to be watered every 11 days. Aloe vera, say for example, for 21 days or per 21 days. Asparagus fern, you need to water it frequently once in every 6 days or once a week. All right. Again, if you have questions about the plant, you can just go ahead and tap on the information icon, scroll all the way down, and here we have care tips. Now, let's go ahead and check on the Arrosa journal right here at the bottom right. Just tap on it. And as you can see, today we've just watered, yesterday I just watered 3. The 11th, I've watered 1. And this is just for this month. On the 15th is blank, or it's just grayed out because you didn't water any plant today. When you go ahead and scroll down, you have the logs right here. Today, added a snake plant. Yesterday, I've watered my aloe vera, my asparagus fern, and at the very top, you have the care plant. In 3 days, you should go ahead and water the snake plant and the asparagus fern as well in 5 days. That's how easy it is to use the Arrosa app. So if you have questions, plant care suggestions, or ideas for future Arrosa features, you can also join the Arrosa's community on Discord. And the invitation link is in the description below. Go ahead and download again the Arrosa app, and you can go ahead and add up to 5 plants for free. Right? Now, if you want to add in some more plants, you can go ahead and tap on the crown button at the bottom left. And then you can go ahead and subscribe annually or monthly. It's up to you. And the perks are here. Limited plants and photos, adaptive reminders, a garden that feels like yours, and exclusive widgets. So the free widget that was shown earlier was this one. And there are even more beautiful widgets when you go ahead and subscribe. And that is how you stop overwatering houseplants with a simple tracking method. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.